Dear students, I am Dilip Pandey and I am just going to start your physics for class 10. All required informations have been already given here. In the previous video, I had given you some problems in order to solve you, and now I am going to solve all of those problems. First problem is written here. Calculate the resistance of a heater rated 100 watt and 220 volt. Means the power of the heater is 100 watt and the potential difference between ends of this coil, means coil of the heater, that is given to 120 volt. 220 volt. Also calculate the resistance which is a current which it can flow. Suppose that this is the coil and you have given here potential difference. Now electric current I will flow here. Formula I have already been proved, and that is P is given here 100 watt, V equal to 220 volt, R equal to watt, and formula is P equal to V square by R, 220 into 220 by R is written here. P now came here, and now after calculation the value of R became 440 ohm. And as you know, by Ohm's law, V equal to IR, that means I equal to V by R, and therefore 0.454 ampere is your answer. This was your answer which was written here. Now this is the second question, and in this question it is written here that calculate the resistance of a heater at this rate has been given. Means power of that resistance is 200 watt and the potential difference between ends of the conductor, that is 220 volt, which is given by the cell or any medium. Also calculate how much current if it can draw if it is connected to a 110 volt line. Now first of all, we have to find out the resistance what must be available here, and it is given 200 volt, V equal to 220, R is just find here 222, and similarly by Ohm's law, I will be calculated, which is 0.54 ampere. Now the third question is calculate the heat produced by a heater of 100 watt. Power of the heater is given here and time is also given here, which is 7 minutes. Now I have taught you the definition of power, that was the rate of work done, and P equal to W by T, as you know it, because in previous video I have explained it clearly, and therefore W equal to P into T, and this amount of work done is just going to be converted into heat produced in the conductor, and that is why W is written here H, and H is equal to P into T, that is given here 100, and T equal to 4200 second, and now the answer which is in joule, now you have to convert it into calorie. Therefore this calculation has been divided by 4.2, and now your answer is 10 to the power 5 calorie. Dear students, this is the question, and now your complication is going to be started, and you have to think a lot of things which must be very clear in your mind, otherwise you will come into confusion. Therefore I am going to solve this problem by 3 methods. First of all, you should mind it that what is the meaning of rating here 220 volt and here 220 volt. Then in this calculation of electric current or anything, what potential difference must be taken? That is the first question which will rise in your mind, that what is the meaning of this potential difference, this potential difference and this potential difference. It is very clear that this is the power of an electric heater or electric bulb. That means suppose that you have an electric heater or any conductor, then in order to flow a current I, there must be a potential difference between two ends of the conductor. Therefore, suppose that this is a heater, and if this heater is AB, its one end is A and another end is B. There must be a potential difference between these two ends, and this potential difference is given here 220 volt, and its power is given here 100 watt. Similarly, that is here, and now it is connected to 220 volt. Means if the potential difference between A and B will become more than the 220 volt, that will fuse, that will never act. Only this amount of current will be allowed up to which the potential difference between A and B is 220 volt. This is the meaning of this 220 volt and this 120 volt. But the connection, but the say what you have applied, and this is giving a potential difference of 220 volt, and this potential difference can be able to send you current in those both heaters. First of all, there is no extra thing, therefore I will be same in, because both of these heaters are connected in series.